Hi children, today we will do exercise 12.3 question number 6, 7 and 9. Now move to the sixth question. Simplify the expression, find the value if x is equal to 2. What is the question? What is the first question? X plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. We have to simplify the expression. First we have to simplify the expression and we have to put the value x is equal to 2 in the expression. First you have to simplify, then only we have to substitute the value x is equal to 2. So for simplifying, what you will do? Just x plus 7 plus open the bracket 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into negative 5. What is the answer? Minus 20. Okay, open the bracket. Then the same method, combine the like terms, group the like terms. X plus 4x, one group of like terms plus 7 minus 20. So combine the like terms and solve the like terms. Okay, x plus 4x, what is the answer? We can write it as 5x because the coefficient is 1 here. 1 plus 4, what is the answer? 5. So we can write it as 5x. Plus 7 minus 20. 7 minus 20, our integer subtraction, 7 plus negative 20. What is the answer? We can write it as negative 13. Okay, 7 minus 20 is negative 13. Now at x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What will be the value of this expression? That means in place of x we have to substitute the value 2. That means 5 into 2 plus negative 13. 5 into 2, what is the answer? 10. 10 plus negative 13, what is the answer? 10 plus negative 13 is, 10 plus negative 13 is negative 3. 10 plus negative 13 is negative 3. I hope this answer is clear. So first you have to simplify the expression, then only we have to substitute the value 2. Okay, now move to the next question. 3 into, first you open the bracket, 3 into x is what? 3x plus 3 into 2, what is the answer? 6. Remaining term same, 5x minus 7. Now you combine the like terms. That means which are the like terms here? 3x and 5x are like terms. Like the same way, 6 and negative 7 are like terms because they are constants. Okay. Now 3 plus 5, what is the answer? 8x. Then 6 minus 7, what is the answer? Negative 1. Okay, now we have to substitute the value x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, what answer you will get? 8 into 2 plus negative 1. 8 into 2, what is the answer? 16 plus negative 1, what is the answer? 15. Okay. Integer addition and subtraction is coming. So after simplifying the expression only we have to substitute the value 2. Now move to the third question. Third question, 6x plus, open the bracket plus 5 into x is 5x plus 5 into minus 2, what is the answer? Negative 10. Then 6x plus 5x, they are like terms. So do the addition, 6 plus 5, what is the answer? 11x minus 10. Now at x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, what will happen? 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 into 2, what is the answer? 22 minus 10. What is the answer? 22 minus 10 is 12. Okay, 22 minus 10 is 12. I hope this part is clear. First you have to simplify the expression. How will we simplify the expression? Group the like terms and solve the groups. Okay, combine the like terms and solve the like terms, and then only you have to substitute the value x is equal to 2. Okay, now move to the next question. Here also we have to substitute the value x is equal to 2 after simplifying the equation. After simplifying, not equation, simplifying the expression. Okay, now 4 into 2x, what is the answer? 8x. Minus 4 into negative 1, what is the answer? Negative 4 plus 3x plus 11, remaining term same. Now combine, group the like terms, 8x plus 3x, then minus 4 plus 11. Okay, 8x plus 3x, what is the answer? 11x minus, or you can write plus negative 4 plus 11, what is the answer? Integers addition, 11 plus negative 4, what is the answer? 7. So what you can write at x is equal to 2. What will happen? 11 into 2 plus 7. That means 22 plus 7. What is the answer? 29. First you have to simplify the expression, then only you have to substitute the value 2. Okay children. Now move to the next question. Simplify. Again we have to simplify the expression, and there are 3 different variables. Some questions 3 variables are there, and we have to put x is equal to 3. For after simplifying the expression, we have to put x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1 and b is equal to -2. Which variable is there in the question? You have to substitute that value. Okay. Now move to the first question. 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. This expression contains only x. Okay. First you simplify it. Combine the like terms. 3x minus x, one group of like terms, minus 5 plus 9, other group. Okay. What is the answer here? 2x. And what is the answer here? -5 plus 9. What is the answer? Plus 4. Then, which is the variable here? X. So, what value we have to put to x? X is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, what will happen? 2 into 3. 2x means what? 2 into x. That means 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 3 is what? 6 plus 4. What is the answer? 10. I hope this is clear. Okay, after simplifying the expression, substitute the value. Again, next question. 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Again, combine the like terms. 8x plus 4x, one group, plus 2 plus 4, other group. Okay, one group of like terms, other group of like terms. -8 plus 4. What is the answer? Just add the numerical coefficient. -8 plus 4. What is the answer? -4, and write the same variable. Plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 6. Now x is equal to 3. That means -4 into 3 plus 6. -4 into 3. What is the answer? -12 plus 6. What is the answer? -6. I hope this is clear. Now move to the next question. Again, here the variable is a, here the variable is b, here the variable a and b, both are there. So after simplifying the equation, just substitute that value. Okay children, then first part, combine the like terms. 3a minus 8a, one group of like terms, plus 5 plus 1, other pair. Okay. Now 3a minus 8a, what is the answer? 3 minus 8, what is the answer? -5a plus 5 plus 1, what is the answer? 6. Okay. Now in substitute, which value for a? A is equal to -1. That means -5 into -1 plus 6. -5 into -1, what is the answer? Negative into negative is positive. 5 plus 6, what is the answer? 11. I hope this is clear. Now next, move to the next question. First you combine the like terms. 10 minus 4, one group of like terms, minus 3b minus 5b, other group. 10 minus 4, what is the answer? 6. -3b minus 5b, what is the answer? -3, -5. What is the answer? -8b. Now b is equal to, which value we have to put? B is equal to -2. That means 6 minus 8 into -2. That means -8 into -2. What is the answer? Plus 16. 16 plus 6, what is the answer? 22. Okay children, we are just doing only integer subtraction and addition there. Just add the numerical coefficient, you will get the answer and substitute the value for the variable. Okay. Now then move to the next question. Combine the like terms. 2a plus a, one group of like terms, minus 2b and -4 minus 5, other group. So one group, other group. This is a single unlike term, we will remain it as it is. Okay. Now 2a plus a, what is the answer? 3a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5, what is the answer? Minus 9. So which value here? The variable a is there, a is equal to -1, and here the variable b is also there, b is equal to -2. So what will happen? 3 into -1, this is one part, minus 2 into -2 minus 9. Okay, 3 into -1, what is the answer? -3. negative 2 into negative 2. What is the answer? Positive 4 minus 9. So, negative 3 plus 4. What is the answer? Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 1 minus 9. What is the answer? Negative 8. Okay? Negative 8. Just do the mind calculation and find out the answer, children. 3 into negative 1 is negative 3. Negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4. And the remaining part same. So, 3 plus negative 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 1. And 1 minus 8 or 1 plus negative 9, what you can say? 1 minus 9, what is the answer? 1 plus negative 9, what is the answer? Negative 8. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now move to the next question. What should be the value of A if 2x square plus 2x square plus x minus A equals to 5 when x is equal to 0? What is the meaning of the question? 2x square plus x minus A equal to 5 when x is equal to 0. That means you just substitute the value 0. X is equal to 0 means what? 2 into 0 plus 0 minus A is equal to 5. Okay. Then what happened? This is 0 plus 0 minus A is equal to 5. We have to find the value of A. So what you can write? A is equal to negative 5. What is the value of A here? A is equal to negative 5. Or you can write, and the transposing method also you can use, 2x square plus x minus A is equal to 5. Use the transposing method. That means take this term, take this A to that side and 5 to this side. So what will happen? 2x square plus x minus 5 is equal to A. Okay, transposing method. From if negative A is going to this side, it will become positive, and 5 is positive in this side. If you are taking to this side, it will become negative. Now you substitute the value 0. That means 2 into 0 plus 0 minus 5 is equal to A. So what you can write? 0 plus 0 minus 5 is equal to A. Therefore, you can write, what is the value of A here? A is equal to negative 5. Okay. I hope this is clear now. So we have to find the value of A. If the value of 2x square plus x minus A equals to 5 when x is equal to 0. Okay, when x is equal to 0, this is equal to 5. Okay children, I hope this is clear now. What is the value of A here? Negative 5, and do the remaining questions as homework. Okay, do the remaining questions as homework. That means exercise 12.3, question number 8 and 10. Question number 8 and 10 you do it as homework. Exercise 12.3, question number 8 and 10 you do it as homework. That's all for today. Thank you.